Richard Childress Racing Museum. Did you know that the Richard Childress Racing Museum is located in the former team workshop in which Richard Childress Racing won 6 NASCAR Cup Series championships and 58 races? Samuel Pallotti. Did you know that in February an NBSB 2023 Italian footballer Samuel Pallotti saved a penalty kick while playing as an enlisted outfield association footballers who played in goal? The Beautiful Letdown. Did you know that songs in The Beautiful Letdown are chunky, gentle, and noisy? Roman Republic. Did you know that the Roman Republic used grappling hooks during the Battle of Corcus to board Seleucid Empire ships? Paris Opera Ballet. Did you know that Paris Opera Ballet dancer Guillaume Diop co-authored a manifesto that called for the Paris Opera to make urgent changes to address racial discrimination? List of awards and nominations received by the White Lotus. Did you know that at the 2022 Primetime Emmy Awards list of awards and nominations received by the White Lotus in 5 categories and 1 in all? Abbas ibn Abi al-Futur. Did you know that Abbas ibn Abi al-Futur was a Zirid dynasty prince who became a vizier after assassinating his stepfather and was overthrown after murdering Caliph al-Zafir? Hilton Hotels and Resorts. Did you know that in 1967 Hilton Hotels and Resorts revealed plans for Lunar Hilton?